We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. So it should come as no surprise that we love hearing from happy and satisfied customers, and this review is no exception in showing our dedication to superior customer service. This is one of our favorite reviews as well. Very inspiring. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.